Hello, everybody. I'm Kurosh from English Global. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about consonant L in American English. In this short video, we are going to learn how to sound more American by correctly pronouncing letter L. Are you ready? If so, let's go. Okay, how to produce the sound? First, lift your tongue and then touch behind your teeth. 2. Don't seal off the air. Let the air go out. You also need like a small vibration, L. Please repeat after me. Put the tip of your tongue behind your teeth, the upper teeth. L. If the letter L comes at the end of the word, lift the front of your tongue behind your teeth again. However, the back of your tongue stays down. That's also important to respect when the letter L is at the end of the word. We will see in some of the examples. American L is softer and prolonged in comparison to British English. Let's take a look at some of the examples. Film, animal, little, handle, tell, tell me. Tell me more about the film. Feel. How do you feel today? I feel well. Awful. Awful. Scandal. Scandal. Political. Political. Okay, that's the end of video. We hope you're learning something new. See you soon. Bye bye.